We've done a lot of time lapses since the last update, but as you can see, this is our master bedroom here, and we've got the drywall up, and it's in the process of being mudded. Nothing's been sanded yet, but we put a bunch of mud up. I'm not doing this. We hired someone to do drywall. It is an art form that is totally lost on me. So update for this room. Got the drywall up. Looks great. Got it in the closet as well. Closet's looking good. Added that outlet down there. Off center. Don't say anything. Shh, shh, shh. We now have, this is where our bed is going to go on this wall here. So we have an outlet on the right and the left. Previously there was one in the middle. So we now each will have an outlet. So far, this part is going great because we're paying someone to do this part. They're coming tomorrow. They took a break because we were still finishing up the bathroom, as you can see here. So, lots of time lapses of this bathroom. I'll come in here, kind of walk you through what we've done. Wow, the echo just totally goes away. Sorry for the light. I'm using this LED light up here, and it's not the best light, but let me give you a little walkthrough. This is our bathtub / shower. This is the niche. It's massive, where you'll put your shampoo and all that stuff on that shelf there. We haven't done any of this yet because he's only going to put drywall on the back side of this, and we're going to do this, and I don't know what material yet, what shower system we're going to use, but we'll do this wall, and so the alcove will be us. He will do the ceiling. Let's see if you can see, is our rain shower stub out right here. We've got 4-inch cans on either side of that that go back to one of our 4 switches. Lots of switches here. So vanity light, can lights in the shower, mirrors, and then this is a humidity dealie that does the vent up here. So got those can lights, got that shower. We're gonna hopefully do a system that's only one handle that will do temperature and send water to the tub, to the shower head that we put right here, and to the rain shower head as well. So I thought something like that would be common. Maybe I'm looking in all the wrong places. Delta has one system that's kind of like that. Kohler doesn't have anything. And then Riobel, some Canadian brand that I found online, they actually have one that's the cleanest looking. Their finishes just don't look that great. So this is the toilet area. We blocked in here in case we ever want to put the toilet paper holder on. Is that focusing? Come on, buddy. It's having a hard time. We blocked in on this pocket door right here in case we ever want to put the toilet paper holder there. And then we will block in this side from the back later because he's going to drywall this, but it'll be open from this side. This is our toilet wall here. Huge vent, and our hot and cold come in there. And this is hot coming around here. This is cold. That actually feeds the toilet right there, as you can see, and it also feeds our hose outside there. And then we did something a little special with the hot. As you can see, it goes up. You can see it peeking through up there. We'll get into a video about that later. Added an outlet that's going to go on some shelves above the toilet right here. Finished up this. That was fun. Got a bunch of electrical in here. So this is outlet. This will hopefully be a drawer outlet. Another outlet here. This is going to be for mirror. Oh. Yeah, so mirror, vanity light. Got all that wired up. Got a new window put in. Not the best. Got some more blocking. So this will be hand towel there. This will be towel rod here. Oh, this big blocking right here, that's going to be for glass shower doors. Same blocking on the other side here. So our hope is that you'll look at the tub here and there'll be 2 glass doors and they'll open out, and that's how you'll step into the tub. We don't really like shower curtains, so we're trying something different. We thought about just doing this entire area as a shower, and that would have been great for me and my wife, but resale, we were just like, man, someone's gonna come in here and they're gonna like the house and they're gonna get to the master suite and they're gonna be like, there's no tub. It'll be a deal breaker for some people, probably. Maybe not. I don't know. So we decided we're gonna do the tub. We're gonna make the shower nice, and we're not gonna do a rod with a curtain. We're gonna put in 2 glass doors. We think at the time of filming. Hopefully we stick with that. But yeah, so got this all knocked out. Got our hot and cold and our drain set up. Hopefully this works just fine. More blocking here. Hand towel. Mirror. Hand towel. Towel. And then we've kind of run out of room since we're doing pocket doors in here. So we're trying to decide where would you normally hook like robes, that kind of stuff. So we're trying to decide that. Don't want to do anything behind the toilet. And this is all going to be a custom vanity. At least I'm saying this at the time of filming. I made all the cabinets in the kitchen. I'm going to try to make this. Christine has a sketch that we're going to try to do. So the only thing I could come up with was on this little wall right here between the toilet and the shower, like put a couple hooks up here and you could hang a robe. It's not going to be perfect, but it's the best I could come up with. So that is our update for now. Hopefully tomorrow this all gets drywalled except for this alcove here. So if it's been done, we will transition to that time lapse now.